I want to take this time to tell you about some of my favorite tools. However, these tools are not mandatory. They just make life easier. If you want to be able to do things faster, more effectively than manually, then you would use these tools. You do not need to purchase these tools. The first one is Brazz. They are at Brazz.io. And what Brazz does is it allows you to sync up all of your accounts. So it becomes a little tedious to try and log into Outbrain and Taboola, Rev Content, Yahoo. When you start using more than one of these native ad networks, it becomes a bit of a chore to have to log into each one and then do the different optimization steps. It's just cumbersome. So Brazz allows you to kind of connect them all together, and then you can just log into Brazz, and Brazz will do all that stuff for you. Like, you can set up all your rules, you can create all your ads, and it will pipe things over for you. So it just allows you to have a better workflow, easier workflow, and then also gives you some features that you would not be able to have inside the native interface of the ad network. Now, Native Ads Titan is similar. However, Native Ads Titan also has their own inventory, and instead of connecting to your accounts, I believe the way they work at the time I'm making this video is that they create their own accounts. You use the Native Ads Titan interface, and then behind the scenes, they're doing everything for you. So it's a little bit where Brazz is kind of like a self-serve. It's just a software interface. Native Ads Titan has more people involved that are helping you get better results. Also, with Native Ads Titan, they automatically apply blacklists for you, which is one thing that really makes me like Native Ads Titan. Brazz is a software that connects to your own accounts. Native Ads Titan, they create accounts and do a lot of the optimizations for you. How do you choose which one? It's really just going to be, the pricing, what you want out of them. I suggest you do a demo of both. Now, here's a couple of spy tools. I use adbeat.com. I have the largest plan for Adbeat. I suggest, if you have the funds in your business to be able to purchase that, I highly recommend it. It has helped me immensely in my agency for being able to research who is spending money, how much are they spending it, where are they spending it, how are they spending it, what are the landing pages, the ads, the placements, and now they also have all the native ad inventory as well. It's just been a massively helpful tool to me over my career. If you're spending thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars per month, Adbeat is a very good investment for you to have. It will easily make you back what it costs in the insights and data that it brings onto you. As an agency, it's an invaluable tool because you can look and see who's spending money. You can then create a report on where they're spending that money, and you can reach out to them and say, hey, here's a couple of mistakes you're doing. How would you like me to handle that for you? Or would you like to hire my company to fix those things for you? So Adbeat is my recommendation. There are a couple of other tools out there that are cheaper, some newer stuff that I've heard from my friends who I trust. They say that these three tools are really good. AdSpider, AdVault, Native Ad Buzz, they primarily just help you look up what ads other people are using on native ads. So great for finding inspiration, great for finding new placements, also great for really just spying on competitors and whatnot. So there you have it. These are the tools that I use: Brazz, Native Ads Titan, and Spy Tools. Also, just for full disclosure, Native Ads Titan is my affiliate link. I get a small kickback from everybody that joins Native Ads Titan. If you, for some reason, do not like that, you could just go to nativeads.com instead of nativeadstitan.com. If you'd like to give me credit for the referral, then use nativeadstitan.com.